Hi, my name is Jen Anderson. I'm CTO of Incuto. We are a fintech based here in the UK. We've been working with Tudip for the past 9 months on our mobile app and also on the deployment and hosting of our Google Cloud platform. I have found Tudip incredibly easy and excellent to work with. They have been great at communication and are happy to have meetings whenever required. And also, they push for weekly and bi-weekly meetings if you haven't given them the feedback, which is always helpful. They're quick and easy to respond and fast to respond to any issues that come up or bugs that have been found. They work in agile and a very flexible environment and can handle changes to the product in a fast and efficient manner. And the delivery of the product is always as promised. I would definitely recommend working with Tudip. Thanks.